Welcome to the dark side of nature, where predators lurk in the shadows. You might think you know about dangerous animals, but prepare to be amazed. Today, we're diving into the world of 10 unbelievable predators with behavior so strange, they'll send shivers down your spine. These aren't your average hunters, they're nature's oddities, with tactics that defy imagination. So, are you ready to discover the bizarre and terrifying secrets of the animal kingdom? Let's begin our journey into the unknown. Number 1. The zombie-making wasp. Imagine being turned into a living zombie, your body no longer your own. That's the fate of cockroaches when they encounter the emerald jewel wasp. This wasp doesn't just sting its prey, it performs precise brain surgery. With 2 quick stings, it injects a venom cocktail directly into the cockroach's brain. The first sting temporarily paralyzes the roach. The second sting is more sinister, targeting specific neurons in the brain. This turns the cockroach into a passive zombie, unable to escape, but still alive. The wasp then leads its victim back to its burrow, like a dog on a leash. There, it lays an egg on the roach's abdomen. When the larva hatches, it burrows into the still-living cockroach, eating it from the inside out. Scientists are studying this venom, hoping to use it to treat Parkinson's disease. The vampire bird. In the Galapagos Islands, a seemingly innocent bird hides a dark secret. The vampire ground finch looks like any other finch, but it has a taste for blood. During dry seasons when food is scarce, this bird turns to a shocking food source. It lands on larger birds like boobies and pecks at their skin until it draws blood. Then it drinks the blood to survive. What's more surprising is that the victim birds often don't react, as if accepting their fate. This behavior is an example of how animals adapt to harsh environments. It's a reminder that even the most innocent-looking creatures can hide dark secrets. The hypnotizing cuttlefish. Beneath the waves, the broad-club cuttlefish is putting on a mesmerizing show. But this isn't just for entertainment, it's a deadly trap. This cephalopod can change its skin color and pattern in an instant. When hunting, it creates a pulsating display of colors on its body. This hypnotic light show isn't just beautiful, it's paralyzing. Fish become transfixed by the display, unable to swim away. The cuttlefish then strikes, grabbing its prey with lightning-fast tentacles. Scientists believe this hypnosis works by overloading the prey's sensory system. It's a reminder that beauty in nature can often be deadly. The body-snatching barnacle. Imagine a parasite that doesn't just feed on its host, but becomes its host. Meet the Sacculina, a barnacle with a truly nightmarish life cycle. It starts as a microscopic larva, searching for a crab to infect. Once it finds a crab, it injects itself into the crab's body. Then, it spreads throughout the crab like a cancer, replacing its organs. Eventually, it emerges as a sac on the crab's underside, filled with Sacculina eggs. But the horror doesn't end there. The parasite takes control of the crab's brain, making it care for the Sacculina eggs as if they were its own. Male crabs even develop female features to better care for the eggs. It's a chilling example of how parasites can manipulate their hosts. The acid-spraying beetle. In the animal kingdom, some creatures fight with claws or teeth, but the bombardier beetle has a weapon straight out of a sci-fi movie. When threatened, this beetle mixes 2 chemicals in its abdomen. This creates a boiling caustic liquid that's close to the temperature of boiling water. The beetle then sprays this mixture with explosive force at its attacker. The spray is so powerful that it can kill small predators and cause severe pain to larger ones. What's more, the beetle can aim this spray with surprising accuracy. It's like having a tiny, living flamethrower. Scientists are studying this beetle's defense mechanism for potential applications in technology. The ghost-faced bat deep in the jungles of Central and South America, a bat with a face like a ghost hunts in the night. The ghost-faced bat doesn't just use echolocation like other bats. It has a unique leaf-like structure on its face that acts as a sonar dish. This allows it to detect the faintest sounds of insects walking on leaves. But what makes this bat truly terrifying is its bite. It has some of the strongest jaws of any bat, capable of crushing the hard shells of beetles. The bat's bite is so powerful, it can even puncture the skulls of small birds and mammals. It's a stark reminder that sometimes the most frightening predators come in small packages. The bone-dissolving snail. In the depths of the ocean, a snail hunts with a method that seems impossible. The cone snail may look harmless, but it's one of the most venomous creatures on Earth. It hunts fish by releasing a scent into the water that mimics a fish in distress. When curious fish come to investigate, the snail strikes. It fires a harpoon-like tooth, injecting a powerful venom. This venom doesn't just kill, it starts to break down the fish's body immediately. The snail then engulfs its prey, using acids to dissolve the fish, bones, and all. Some cone snail species are so venomous, their sting can be fatal to humans. Scientists are studying this venom for potential new painkillers. The mind-controlling fungus. In the forests of the world, a fungus turns ants into zombies. The cordyceps fungus infects ants, growing inside their bodies. As it grows, it takes control of the ant's brain. The infected ant climbs to the top of a plant and clamps its jaws onto a leaf. This is called the death grip. The ant stays there until it dies. Then the fungus bursts out of the ant's head, releasing spores to infect more ants. Each cordyceps species is specialized to a specific ant species. This fungus inspired the infected humans in the video game and TV show The Last of Us. It's a chilling reminder of the complex and sometimes horrifying relationships in nature. The invisible predator. In the oceans, a predator hunts its prey while being virtually invisible. The glass squid has a transparent body, allowing light to pass right through it. This makes it nearly impossible to see in the water. But invisibility isn't its only trick. When threatened, it can fill its body with ink, instantly becoming opaque. It can also use bioluminescence, creating flashes of light to confuse predators. Some species can even detach parts of their arms as a distraction. It's a master of deception, using multiple tricks to survive in the deep sea. Scientists are studying these squids to develop new camouflage technologies. The living rock. On the ocean floor, a predator disguises itself as a harmless rock. The stonefish is considered the most venomous fish in the world. It looks exactly like an algae-covered stone, blending perfectly with the seafloor. When prey swims too close, the stonefish strikes with lightning speed. Its mouth can expand to swallow prey nearly its own size. But what makes it truly terrifying is its venom. Its back is covered in sharp spines, each containing powerful venom. A sting from these spines can cause extreme pain, paralysis, and even death. It's a reminder that in nature, danger can lurk in the most unexpected places. Outro. These 10 predators show us that nature is full of surprises. From mind-controlling fungi to invisible squids, the natural world is stranger than fiction. These bizarre behaviors remind us of the incredible diversity of life on our planet. They also show how evolution can lead to truly unbelievable adaptations. What other secrets might be hiding in the shadows of our world? If you enjoyed this journey into nature's dark side, don't forget to like and subscribe. Share your thoughts in the comments. Which predator shocked you the most? Until next time, keep exploring the wonderful and weird world of nature. And remember, sometimes the most ordinary-looking creatures can be the most extraordinary.